So this is a quick tutorial on how to use the micro USB for various Android devices. So in order to access that connector, you'll flip this, slide the button up and open this USB here. So this side is for iPhone. So in order to use it for micro USB, you actually flip it so that the logo side is down and then insert into the Android device. All right, so I go ahead and insert the micro USB into the Android phone. Note you don't have to press really hard. So just give it a moment and everything should populate. So you see here that it pulls up my files. Now again, on different Android phones, the software might be a little bit different, the look and feel of it, but the experience is generally the same. So if you go to my files, right, you'll see there's the USB drive and then device storage. The device storage means the files on the phone. So if I click that and say, I want to go ahead and move these 3 pictures, I can click the 3 dots at the top, hit copy, and then I can choose the USB drive as the location. So again, click that. I can either create a folder or put it into a folder, but I can paste it here. It will automatically go ahead and save them. And if I want to double check, I can go back onto my files and look at the USB. And you note that the 3 pictures that I just went ahead and added are right down here at the bottom. Now, if I want to do the reverse, I want to actually take files from my USB drive and I want to move them to my local storage on the phone. I can once again take these files that were on the USB drive, hit this, copy it, but then I'm copying it and I'm saving it to the device storage, right? So again, I can choose a folder or just put it anywhere generally on the phone, paste it here, and those files are now automatically saved to the device storage, as you can see. For more details, visit us at www.cleverdanbrand.com/quickstart.